So welcome back to the channel, guys. Today so in the previous videos we have done the white cross and the white layer. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to do the second layer. So before I start, please subscribe and like the video. So let's get into it. So first of all, bring any spot out any edge that doesn't contain yellow. So this contains yellow, so we are not going to. So this is blue and orange. So now move it so that this orange matches with the center orange. So it is not matching over here, and now it is matching. So now we have to put this this edge at this place, because orange and blue like this, but that removes our first layer. So now first of all, move this edge opposite to where you want to put it, like this. If you move here, it won't be able to do this, but I will show you after doing this. So now move it opposite towards opposite, just so that it doesn't face face you. So and then move the right side up and the upside and then move this edge back to where it was, and then move the right one down, then move the cube, then so that it is facing you. Then just you are going to place that into place. Now as I was telling you, if you move this towards this, when you move it the right side up, it will hide and you won't get the result what you want. So it will give you this. So you have to move it opposite to where you want to put it, opposite to the color above it, because it's blue, and then we will be moving that edge opposite to the blue. So and then just move the right one and then just place it in. So now that one is done. Now next, spot the next one. So this one contains yellow, this one does not. So move it so that it matches. It does not match over here, it does not match over here. Now it is matching. So move it opposite to the green color, because the other color on the edge is green. So moving it opposite, and then move the right side above, and then move this one down, and this, and then just place it in. Then this case is yes, so this one, so let us just place it over here so that we can get it. So now it is now the blue side is on the left one. So now we are going to move the edge opposite to the blue side, so it will go to this side, and then just move the left side up so that we can do that. So now move it back, the edge into place where it was, and then move the left side back down, and then just place it in. Now the last one is, so move it opposite to the green, and then move the left side up, and then turn it back to where it was, then move the left side down, then just insert it in. So that's it. But there's also another case. Let me just, so many people get confused at this edge. So this is easy to get it out in there. So first of all, move the right side up, then move the top side to the left, to the right, so, and then move the right side down. So as you can see, it got separated. Then put that corner into place. So that's it, and then move that so that it matches it. So now it is matching. Then just move it opposite to the orange, because that's the top color, and moving it to opposite, then move the right side up, move the up, so place it where it was before, and then move the right side down, then just insert it in. So that's our second layer, guys. So in the next video I'm going to tell you how to make the white cross, and then I'm going to tell you, then we are going to be matching the edges with their colors. So with the colors that would be like this. So then we will be matching the corners so that all the corners get into their places. Now this one is placed in this, and then we are just going to place those in, and our cube will be solved. So stay tuned to find out how to do the white cross, and then the edges and then the corners that will be covered up in the next video. So if you enjoyed the video and this helped, leave it down in the comments below and like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.